At Talkin Things, we design and manufacture RFID tags. We are based in Poland, where we have our R&D and production facility. From here, our products, both inlays and tags converted to various forms, are delivered to our clients all around the globe. Voyantic systems are an essential part of our core processes in product design, production, quality assurance and quality control.
We always start the development of RFID tag with numerical simulation. Even with powerful digital tool that we use, the role of prototyping and testing is immense. With our proprietary process of rapid tag prototyping, we are able to quickly produce the samples of design. And then we use Voyantic Tagformance Pro with C50 chamber to measure its performance. With RAIN RFID tags is always an iterative process, so the ability to quickly produce the prototypes and then obtain the precise and reliable measurements is really important for us. That's the way to get the design look for really quick. As RFID becomes more and more popular, especially in retail, there is a rising need for checking performance of RFID tag on a wide variety of different products. And here again, Voyantic setup with anechoic chamber helps us to provide those measurements fast and be assured that all external interference is eliminated. Another important factor for us is that this particular setup provides us testing modes that are consistent with those used by well-known certification bodies in the industry.
For RFID inlay production, we use highly efficient direct die attach process with both single and multi-lane machines. On our production lines, we use taxurance-free system for online testing, and this brings the inlay production to a whole new level. With the immense support from Voyantic team, we have managed as the first in the industry to integrate taxurance-free with Milbauer bonding system. Owing to that, we have gained the ability to test the product online in multiple frequencies, which not only ensures the best quality of the final product, but also provides an instant feedback on production process optimization. The Voyantic hardware is extremely flexible in terms of integration, while the software delivered within is highly intuitive and easy to operate. We also appreciate the level of support provided by Voyantic team, which comes almost instantaneously. Moreover, Voyantic team is very open to our suggestions, delivering solution improvements with each new software rollout.
Voyantic for me is a synonym for prompt support response. And regardless of the nature of the question, we always get comprehensive and full answer. And we get it really quickly.